The Alfred State Marble Run project is a senior engineering project used to demonstrate the abilities of Alfred State engineering seniors. The idea is that incoming freshmen will come in and see the ability of what this school can do.
So a lot of our fall semester was a lot of the planning. So it was a lot of jotting down ideas on paper to start with, and then going on to modeling software and figuring out the logistics of different parts. So a lot of the fall was just actually making sure that everything that we were planning on doing was feasible and could actually be physically done. And then our spring semester was having all the materials together and actually prototyping it.
Basically every plastic part in the entire machine is 3D printed. We had I think we had 8 3D printers running at once at various times, and we printed just about everything you can see, all of the track clips, all of the splitters, Big Blue, the UP house, the football field, everything.
It's just such a fun thing to look at. When it's running, it's just kind of the sounds and the lights, it all comes together and is very satisfying.
My favorite part about this is basically we got to see the whole machine from absolutely nothing and just inspirations to being able to put every piece together and seeing the whole thing come together. Especially, we weren't sure if we were able to do it, but we managed to pull it off.
But it wasn't more than just us that worked on it. It truly was a school effort to be able to make this come together.
I feel like we've really shown what you can accomplish within the set bounds and design criteria that we were given for senior projects. And I really hope to come back one day and see even greater future senior projects that dwarf this.